Hey folks, what's up, man? I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's a new mirror that I got so I can see behind me while I'm rolling. And I got a set of them, but this one here is cross-threaded. Came from the factory that way, and now I'm trying to get it to work so I can use it to mount up on the other side, but I may have to call Yamaha to see if they have mounting brackets for mirrors, and if they do, maybe they have what I have down there, or have what I need down there to get this fixed up. Because I need this one bolt, and it stripped out the stripped it out in the center, so or stripped out the bolt. Come on. I don't want to do this, but can't do it that way either. Need something small. Piece of rubber. Rubber. Ah, shit. But anyway, I was out here working on my rig, trying to get these installed. But this is my issue right here, is that it won't work. It came cross-threaded from the factory, so somebody there either tried to install it the wrong way, either like thinking it was a reverse thread and screwed it up, or yeah. Let's try something here. First one went on without an issue. Then this issue popped up. Yeah. And I'm really not a goof when it comes to doing shit like this. It's pretty self-explanatory. Don't cross-thread your shit. I could probably get this to go on this way, but wow, it's a little crooked, and I don't know if it's gonna hold, but that's what I got. That's what I got. As long as it doesn't pop out, I would like it to seat all the way, but it's not going to. So, yeah. And I don't know if I want to put it on the other side just to do it. And I'm going to use better judgment and not do it and just go in and order replacements for it, because that is just screwed up. But yeah, I could use that, but if for some reason vibration causes this to come loose, then I just lose a mirror, and I'm not willing to lose a $30 mirror for a $5 part. So yeah, this one mirror will work for now. It'll help me see behind me, and hopefully keep things out of the way. And then when I can get my other bracket, when I can get this other clamp for it, that's what I'll do. But that's pretty much what it looks like. That's what it looks like. This is what it is. I'll leave a description in the a link in the description to where I got these are and what they are. But so far I would recommend them, but just be careful that this stuff is aluminum, and if you cross thread it, or if it comes cross threaded, just send it back and get a new one. Don't try to do what I did and force it, because you'll just bitch it up more. Right on. But these come with a adjustable. This will allow things to free up and do it, and then whenever you want to adjust, when you get it where you want it, you just fine tune it to where you want it, and then give it a good couple twists and turns, and you'll be okay. This right here is where this is going to be mounted right now for today. I got some stuff I want to go up to Houston's Founders Day tonight and watch some fireworks, maybe record them for you guys. And yeah, but for right now I'm going to go inside for about an hour, drink a cup of coffee, relax, finish cleaning up my rod. Gonna finish cleaning up my ride, and then head up to Houston's Founders Day, celebrating I don't know how many years, I forget what it said, years that Houston has been Houston, Alaska has been a town. So yeah. Here's what we got. You know. That's the mirror install. When I get this new bracket, or I might have to order a set and then try them out that way. They need to come with 8 and 10 millimeters, and if that don't work, I'll have to send these back, and hopefully they'll take them or take it back because of that stripped out shit. But there's got to be something that adapts to this, or I'll have to go right to the company and get the same brackets. Hopefully they have these for replacements, and if they do, I'll just go ahead and grab a pack of those. But that's how it should look. Right on. Another piece of grease. Don't know if you can see me in the mirror or not. But yeah. Once it's angled in there correctly, like that, I'll be able to see what's coming up behind me. Not completely. I'll be able to see if there's something pulling up on my left. Right on. And then, yeah. But once I get that set out to where it actually does me good as far as being adjusted correctly, it'd be a good idea. So yeah. One piece, hippie grease, and all that happy horse shit. Oh man, I'm a little frustrated. I was hoping these would go in now without a hitch, but apparently they won't, or they didn't. So yeah, take care folks. See you later.